Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Today Samsung Galaxy S3 with me, and today we are going to install and review CrDroid for the Samsung Galaxy S3. So the device which I'm holding in my hands right now is the Samsung Galaxy S3, the GTX 9300, and this here runs Flyme OS 5 at the moment. And yeah, today we are going to install and review CrDroid Android 7.1.2 for the Samsung Galaxy S3. So as you can see, I've downloaded the file already and pasted on my device storage. So what you need to do is the same. Basically, you need to download it and paste the zip file on your phone. After that, you need to boot into the recovery mode. For that, you need to power off your device. Then press the volume up button, the home button, and the power on button at the same time. So here in the Team Recovery project, you need to go to the wipe option first and perform a factory reset. After that, go back and press on the install menu, install option there, and locate your ROM. In my case, it's in the internal storage here. Just press on it and locate the zip file. So after that, you just need to swipe to flag. So after the installation process is finished, you can directly reboot to the system or install the GApps too. So you need to do the GApps to get the Play Store and all that Google stuff working on your device. But I will skip this now. So if you want to have the Play Store on your phone, you need to go to the install option again and basically install the OpenGApps.zip file. So if you want to skip that, just press on reboot and say Reboot System, and after that you just need to wait until your phone boots up. So the phone booted up now, as you can see, and this here should be Android 7.1. You can see you got a different kind of notification panel here. Let me adjust the brightness first. So as you can see, the notification panel looks quite different from that what you get on other ROMs. You can see you got this 4x2 grid size here, and yeah, another nice thing is that you have this pixel style colors, or this pixel colors. You know, you have this blue accent color on the brightness slider there, and yeah, you can also see you got the blue icons on the settings. So this is the pixel style, which I personally really like. You can see you got all that stuff on the settings, but here at the bottom you can see it says Android 7.1.2. and this here is the CrDroid version, security patch June, the 5th of June, and right, nice stuff there. So let's move on to the settings here. So there's something called CrDroid Settings, which is basically, I think, the ROM control of this ROM. You can basically do the same, just like in Resurrection Remix, I think. I'm not quite sure, but you know, they are almost the same options available. You can see you got that ambient display on board, you have this blur options just like Resurrection Remix, lock screen options and all that. Maybe there are even more options than Resurrection Remix, but actually I don't know. So here you can enable the memory bar in the recent apps section here. As you can see, it looks quite nice there, and yeah, you can change the colors of all these things there. You can directly launch the music player if you plug in a headphone, for example, and all that. You can change all the system animations, which is also really nice. You can also change the quick settings tile animations here, as you can see, or the flashlight, for example. You can see it flips around there, which is also quite funny. You know, you get all these standard Resurrection Remix, or you know, you get all that standard stuff on this ROM. So I won't show you all of these, but there are a lot of options available. Yeah. So yeah, so this is pretty much it. The ROM itself seems to be really snappy. As you can see, there are no lags. It's really fast, and it's really customizable, as I've shown you already there in the settings. You can see you haven't got that pixel launcher on board, unfortunately, but I think this here is the Lineage OS launcher, this Bucket, or I don't know how to pronounce that actually. But yeah, so this should be it. Let's go into the memory section first before I end this video here. So here we are. So here you can see that it uses like about the half of the RAM. If you use this phone a few hours longer, it will basically be a bit more than the half. I think it's quite okay for Android 7.1.2 on a 5 years old device, you know. And yeah, so this was basically it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give a dislike, and peace out.